Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's day 10, the final day here in Tokyo. I'm a little bit sad, but we have half day here before our flight at 8 p.m. So I will be showing you as much as I can. So I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Silking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about things about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 to 6,000 subbies. I would really appreciate it. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Verified2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Guys, it is our last day here in Tokyo. This is day 10. So hopefully I could still show you more because our flight for today is 8 p.m. So this is normally what we go through. So we are walking a little bit, like 3 minutes to the train station. So here it is. So now we are going down and we are going to ride the MTR going to Ikebukuro station. So Ikebukuro station normally is one of the busiest stations here in Tokyo, and then from there you could ride to different stations going to Shibuya, Shinjuku there. So normally we ride the train number 2, so for Uyama or Ikebukuro, because Ikebukuro is the transfer station or the station where we're going to transfer. So now we are just waiting for our train. So here is Ikebukuro station, and you see that crossing over there, that's where our hotel is. Here, I think I can hear that the train may be coming. I'm not really sure. Let's see. So guys, we are currently at Ikebukuro station. Funny, this is the first time that we're here, although this is the last station before we go to our hotel. Super nice. I never knew that Ikebukuro is so lively, so beautiful. Sunshine City. So guys, we are currently here at Sunshine City, and our main objective here is to visit Pop Mart. So they have 2 Pop Marts here in Sunshine City and Parco Mall, Ikebukuro. Here at the Sunshine City Mall, they have Pop Mart, and let's see if we could still find limited edition pieces. I'm so excited, guys. So guys, we're already here. I have already scanned what they have. Unfortunately, they don't have any labubus. They don't have any pendant plushies at this station. So it's just so lucky that we were able to go to Diversity the other day and got the best gift that Tokyo has to give me. Bye, Pop Mart. Thank you. Wow, guys, look at this one. Vegeta, and look at this character. Super cute. So they have toys. They have Valentine edition chocolates. What are these? Chocolates. What I'm interested are these. And they have merch. Flat mini couch. They have plushies. Could be bag charm. Is she cute, guys? That's the price. They have bigger plushies. And then they have this. $1,300. So maybe if you know her or you're a fan. A piece of Japanese art you can wear about happy coats. These are actually super nice, guys. Just look at this one. And the price is amazing. It's just 8,000 yen. I love the fabrication, the fabric that they have used, and the prints. As you can see, super nice. And also this one, it says made in Japan. Yan, it's super nice. One on yan, mid-bench. That one is so unique. I'll go for that. Gotcha. Very unique on how they fold the clothes. So guys, we are still here at Ikebukuro, and I was able to see that they have book off over here. I think this is one of the biggest book offs that they have. So they have 2 floors, 2nd and 3rd floor. And of course, we're going to check out what they have. So now let's see what they have. I will just check first. Ooh. Hello. It doesn't say. Oh, here. Okay. Basement 1, 2, then 2 and 3. Book off. Oh, here. Okay, so this is the first one. So they have like figurines over here. So many cute plushies. How much are they? 1,300 for this. 1,540. Super cute. That's a 330. 330. Oh, this one. Demon Slayer. They have Demon Slayer. Oh, this is nice. 330. Cute. I think I'm going to hold on to this one. Look what I found here. It's a treasure. It's a face cream. I think this is okay. For the price of 330, this is such a freaking steal. 330 yen, guys. I'm going to get it and I could hang it on my back. I watched Demon Slayer. There are a lot of plushies here. Unfortunately, some I'm not really familiar. They're from Bandai. I think they're from games. So this one is yes and good price. So here are the plushies, guys. So you can see I've already asked. Unfortunately, they don't have on 3rd floor. They only have they only have books. So they don't have any luxury bags there. So guys, unfortunately, for the 3rd floor, it's just books. So they don't have any luxury bags. And this, we were just so lucky. We found one plushie that I'm really familiar with, so I purchased it. And it's such a good steal. So now let's go to Parco Mall. There's the last Pop Mart that I wanted to visit. So here, just to show you the buildings on this area of Ikebukuro. It's very lively. they have the ABC Mart. That's alive. So this is the Parco Mall, and right beside it we have Shebu. So guys, this is the last Pop Mart that I've seen, and I've seen that they do have the Checkmate Labubu, so we are going to check it out. So guys, look, this is my very first big figurine. Like, is this 400 or 1000%? I'm not sure, but the price is so good. I just couldn't resist, although I'm not collecting, but I just have to. So these are some of the pieces that they have, and they have the Let's Checkmate, and they have the Labubu. But again, the Labubu pendant I'm not really into currently because I already have two. Guys, so we are almost at the last hour here in Tokyo. We're still here at Ikebukuro, and I'm kind of feeling sad because of course we are going to miss this wonderful city. Here we are. This is our station, guys. Tokyo Wadai. Now we're packed. We're packed. We're packed. We're ready to go to the airport.
The next station is Osaka.
Hi guys, so we are now riding the Skyliner going to Narita International Airport Terminal 2. So we are early, which I super love because our flight is 8 and time right now is 3 p.m. We have already cleared customs and we are going to wait our boarding time. So while waiting, we are going to check out what we could find inside the Narita International Airport Terminal 2, and of course have dinner as well. Here we are at So my brother is requesting for me to get our wood. So let us check out Chanel. Boarding gate. Let us check out. Okay, let's go. We have Burberry.
Japan Airlines is raising passenger airlines.
Look at the bags. Over here. Oh, very cute design bags from Burberry. These are very cute, guys. Love the design of this one. So here they also have Gucci. Ooh, look at this trunk, guys. This rolling luggage.
Kiedy będziemy w powietrzu?
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!